Okay, today we're going to use an array because we're good at arrays for multiplying fractions. So if I have a story problem that says Mitch owns 3/4 of a section of farmland. Now a section of farmland is 1 mile by 1 mile by 1 mile by 1 mile. The area is 1 by 1. But he owns, so this is a whole section that we're talking about here. And it is he's going to plant potatoes on 1/3 of his land. What fraction of a section will be planted with Mitch's potatoes? So we got that of again. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at this and we're going to say he has 3/4. So let's just set it up like an array. What do we have? 3/4. So we're going to cut this into how many equal parts? 4 equal parts. And of those equal parts, I should have pushed. See if this works. He used 3 of them for that. And he planted his potatoes in 1/2 of it. So on this side it tells us how we're going to cut this. And of this 1/2, make sure I got it, we are going to, nope, it's not going to work. Undo. Sorry guys, I thought this would work, but it's not going to. So I'm just going to get the highlighter. And this much of the land is all potatoes. So they want to know, we cut it in half and we used 1 part of that half. Now, in order to look at this, how much is potatoes, we have to see how much is double shaded. Well, we have 1, 2, 3 are double shaded out of how many? Well, how many do we have all together in this whole section of land? We have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we had how many shaded? 3 out of 8 is planted in potatoes. Now, does that work when we do what we already know? 1/2 of 3/4, or 3/4 of 1/2. Remember, multiplication is a commutative property, so it doesn't matter. 3 out of 8. 3/8 is potatoes. It's just using an array to see visually how much that really is out of what he started with. There's a mile all the way around of the section of land. Does that make sense to you? Well, let's try a couple problems with it. You have pages 86, 87, and 88, and 89. When you have gotten done with pages 86 and 87, come talk to me because we maybe could get rid of 88 if we understand. 89 I would like you to do as homework, please. Remember, just one more way of seeing how it looks.